You are about to burn hundreds of bucks on a telescope that will completely destroy your new hobby. You want to see Saturn's rings, right? But here is the catch. The telescope you probably have in your cart right now is a literal hobby killer. It's just gonna sit in your closet and collect dust. Later in this video, I'll show you the exact game changer scope you actually need to buy. But first, we need to look at why the normal beginner advice is complete trash. Today, we're covering the 3 biggest mistakes that kill your stargazing dreams. Avoid these and you save a ton of money. Let's get into it. Real quick, if you watch till the end, I'm going to show you some crazy footage I shot myself with the exact setup I'm using. The biggest mistake 99% of people make right off the bat: buying a telescope just for the zoom. You see those boxes screaming 675 times power. Many people think more zoom means a better telescope. The truth is completely different. It's a total scam. If you max out the zoom on a cheap scope, you won't see galaxies. You just see a dark, blurry mess. But here is the catch. The real power of a telescope has zero to do with zoom. It's all about the size of the main lens. Think of it like a bucket. A bigger bucket catches more light and gives you crazy sharp images. Later, I'll tell you exactly which size you actually need to see Saturn. But before you fall for the hype, know this: I do almost all my stargazing at just 50 times zoom. Forget the fake numbers on the box, bro. Just buy the biggest lens you can afford. And that brings us to mistake number 2, buying a cheap department store telescope. Look man, there's a reason we call these things hobby killers. Many people think that a cheap $100 scope is a safe way to test the waters. The truth is completely different. These things combine flimsy plastic parts with a mount so incredibly wobbly that just breathing on the focus knob makes the image shake uncontrollably. You won't see the cosmos, you'll just get mad. I'm gonna be completely real with you. You are genuinely better off buying nothing than wasting your hard-earned cash on a plastic toy that makes you rage quit. And that brings us to the final mistake, and honestly, this one happens before you even look through the lens. Many people think that when they look through a telescope, they're going to see exactly what NASA sees. The truth is completely different. You expect these crazy, bright, colorful galaxies, but when you actually look, it's usually just a faint, gray smudge. But here is the catch: space telescopes collect light for days to make those pictures. Your eyes just can't see color in the dark like a camera can. But bro, that is the actual magic of this hobby. It's not about looking at a pretty 4K picture. It's about the unbelievable feeling of catching real light from a galaxy millions of light years away, directly with your own eyeball, live. And don't worry, planets are a totally different story. Seeing Saturn's rings live will absolutely blow your mind. As promised earlier, here is the exact game changer telescope. I personally use the Dobson Telescope N200/1200 Skyliner Classic DOB. And just to be 100% clear bro, this is not sponsored at all. I bought this with my own cash and I am absolutely in love with it. It gives you that massive light bucket we talked about earlier, making it ridiculously good for both crisp details on planets and finding distant galaxies. But even if you buy the best scope in the world, you will still want to quit the hobby if you make mistake